If it be so, Arjuna, hear. Arjuna and the youth were dumb. For thy sake, loud I asked and clear. Give me, O youth, thy right hand thumb. I promised in my faithfulness no equal ever shall there be to thee, Arjuna, and I praise for this sad recompense for thee. Okay, my dear students, in this stanza, Dronacharya is telling to Buddha, if it is okay, if it be so, means if you have decided to uh, give me my dakshina, okay, then if it be so, now Dronacharya wanted Arjuna also hear what he wants from Buddha as his dakshina. Okay, that is why he said, Arjuna hear, and Arjuna and the youth were dumb, but Arjuna and other princes like Kauravas and Pandavas, they did not understand, they had become dumb. Okay, dumb means stupid. Here, dumb means stupid. They did not understand what is going on. Okay, that is why poet Torudatta said here this line. Arjuna and the youth were dumb when Dronacharya said to Arjuna, Arjuna, hear, listen Arjuna, for thy sake, loud I ask and clear, for thy sake, for your sake, loudly and clearly I am asking, Dronacharya said to Arjuna. And then he turned back to Buddha, okay, and said, give me, O youth, thy right hand thumb. Give me, O youth, thy right hand thumb. Okay, youth means young man. So Dronacharya called Buddha as young man, means youth. Okay, so he said to Buddha, give me, O youth, thy right hand thumb. Give me your right hand thumb. Okay, thigh is your. Give me your right hand thumb. He asked Buddha, okay, to give me your right hand thumb. See, my dear students, this right hand thumb is very useful in archery. I have already told you before, starting with this poem. Okay, this right hand thumb is needed to use uh, to you to hold the arrows and stretch the rope. Okay, then only you can leave it. But without your right hand thumb, archer is useless. Okay, and Dronacharya has asked Buddha the same thing to give him his right hand thumb. Okay, and then he said ahead, I promised in my faithfulness, no equal ever shall there be to thee, Arjuna. Okay, and he turned to Arjuna also and said, I had promised in my faithfulness, means I had promised faithfully to Arjuna that there shall not be any other equal person to Arjuna, means Arjuna only will be the best archer in the world. Okay, and he has to protect Hastina. For that purpose, Dronacharya has asked Buddha his right hand thumb. Means if Buddha gives his right hand thumb, there will not be any other person, or Buddha will not be the best in the world. Only Arjuna will be the best in the world. Okay, and he also said, I praise. He also said to Buddha, I praise for this sad recompense for thee. I praise means I feel very bad that I am asking you this sad recompense. Recompense means what he is asking in return. Okay. In return, Dronacharya is asking very bad thing to Buddha. He is asking his right hand thumb only. Buddha had done so much, practice. He had done so much. He had taken so much effort to learn this archery science, and now he has to give his right hand thumb. Okay, means you can understand how important it is. That is why here Dronacharya said to Buddha, at the same time, I feel very bad that I am asking you for this sad recompense. It's for your right hand thumb. Then glanced the sharp knife one moment high. Glance. Buddha, without thinking, that he will feel pain for cutting his thumb. He just, held that knife, sharp knife in his hand, and he looked at it once. And in another moment, he cut his right hand thumb. And that right hand thumb finally was cut and fallen on the piece of land which was full of grass. The severed thumb was on the sword. Severed means cut. Okay, means Muthu cut his right hand thumb and it fell on the piece of land. Okay, which is the sword. Sword means grass, piece of land with full of grass. On that sword, Muthu's right hand thumb fell down. Okay, he left after cutting his right hand thumb. Muthu did not feel any pain. He did not bring any tear also in his eyes. He left the matter with his God. He only left this matter with God. Means whether his guru, from whom he took inspiration and knowledge, okay, whether that guru has done justice to him or injustice to him. He has done good thing to him or bad thing to him. Or Dronacharya has treated him well or treated him badly. He left this matter with God. God will decide this, he thought. He left this matter with his God. For this said Dronacharya. Then Dronacharya said further, for this fame shall sound thy praise from sea to sea. Fame shall sound means you will become so much famous and your fame will reach everywhere from sea to sea. Okay, people will say good things about you. They will talk about you. You will become that much famous all over the world. Your fame shall sound thy praise from sea to sea, and men shall ever link thy name with self-help, truth, and modesty. And people, young men, okay, they will link your name. Okay, Dronacharya is telling to Puttu that people will, means in future, people will link your name with self-help. Means they will remember you, Puttu, as self-help person who learned archery by himself. Okay, that is why they will link your name with self-help, truth, and modesty. How truthful you are today. Okay, you took, if he wanted, see students, if Buttu wanted, uh, if Buttu wanted to hide this, that he has taken inspiration and knowledge from Dronacharya. If he wanted, he could have he could have hidden this, right? And he would be the best in the world. He could have denied also, rejected also the demand of Dronacharya, but he did not do. That is why he is truthful and modest. Okay, that is why finally Dronacharya said to Buttu for this sacrifice of his right hand thumb or due or dakshina, he will be famous. People will talk about him all over the world from sea to sea, and they will link Buttu's name with self-help, then truth and modesty. So this is what is the poem, my dear students. Now quickly we will learn the question answers below this poem. Okay, very easy questions answers. Just a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 or 2 sentence questions answers. Why had Buttu gone to Dronacharya? Buttu had gone to Dronacharya to learn the science of archery. Okay, remember, it's very easy question. So, then, how did Drona respond to Buttu's request? Drona had straightaway rejected Buttu. For what reason? He was not son of any king queen and he did not have riches, means money. Third question. I came here to learn Thai science, says Buttu. What does Thai science refer to? Here Thai science refer to archery science, okay, or science of archery. Why did Buttu revere Drona as his master? Revere means respect. Why did Buttu respect Drona as his master? Because Dronacharya was the best in archery or great in archery, and uh, Muthu had taken inspiration and knowledge from him only. For this purpose, he is respecting Dronacharya as his master. Muthu says, "All that I have, all I shall conquer by my skill, gladly shall I to the result." This shows Muthu's uh, gratitude because he had learned uh, archery science and had become the best in it. Why? Because he had taken inspiration and knowledge from Dronacharya. That is why gratitude is the correct option. Rash promise ever ends in strife. By saying this, Drona is first A option, warning Muthu of unpleasant consequences. Okay. Seventh, what did Drona seek from Muthu as recompense? What did Drona seek from Muthu as recompense? Dronacharya had asked Dakshina of his right hand thumb. Okay, this is the sad recompense or as recompense. Then, what justification did Drona give for his unfair demand for asking or taking right hand thumb of Muthu? Drona gave justification like he had promised Arjuna that he will be the best archer in the world and there shall not be any other person equal to Arjuna, and Arjuna had to protect Hastinapur in the future. His justification he had given to Muthu. Okay, my dear students, these 8 questions are short or brief answer questions. So, okay, remember them very well. Rest of the questions you try to write yourself. Okay, you have understood the point. Now, last thing, my dear students, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay, so that I can make and bring more videos for you. So I hope you will do the best, and you will also take this moral of the story, self help. Okay, so do self study and become great person. Bye. See you. Thank you.